Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Josh. I'm here today at South Coast Shipyards. We're here with Sea Scout Ship Del Mar who are in need of a boat haul out. We used to do it every 2 years, but now we're doing it every 3 years. So the last time we did this was back in 2017. So there's 2 boats ahead of us that need to get pulled out first. So we're gonna give you guys a couple shots of Newport Beach during quarantine. I hope you like those shots of Newport Beach. It's pretty empty right now, but we just got the call saying that our boat is ready, so let's head back to the boatyard.
Skip, do you have any thoughts?
No thoughts at this time.
Okay. What do you think, Josh?
It's pretty dirty.
This is your first haul out, right? Like a big boat haul out.
Yeah.
What do you think?
First time. Pretty interesting, to say the least. Got all that.
So, starting at the stern of the boat, as you can see, we do need a little bit of repair on the transom. The paint is starting to chip. Not sure if it's the underlying blast just yet, but they'll find out. One of the things is we actually don't get to do any physical labor on the boat. We used to back when the ship first began, but since then the shipyard has kind of closed it off to us working on our own boat, so we will be paying the shipyard to do all the maintenance on the vessel. Another thing to note, I guess, would be that we do have some bottom growth. We do hire a diver once a month, so we might have to talk to that diver for Skip said either stepping up or stepping off. The other thing is we do have a few blisters, but that's nothing that's abnormal. Blisters would be expected. So let's see, oh, 2 more things. So we did notice this paint chip here on the port side of the boat. So basically, long story short, there was a Duffy that we didn't see during the Newport Beach Boat Parade, and we happened to have a collision, and so that's what that's from. And the last and final thing is we did find some soft spots on the deck, so Skip has to talk to the other adults on the ship to decide if that ship committee wants to put money aside to fix those soft spots, or if the funds should be used elsewhere, or if they can kind of wait on the soft spots. That's kind of up to them to decide. And other than that, the boat's looking in pretty good shape.
Thank you guys for watching. If you like our content, please subscribe. It really helps us out. And comment down below if you'd like to see anything else. Anyways, catch you later.